Alright, 23 to 25, solved by graphing. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to just start graphing. You only need 2 points for a line. So I like 0 and 1 more than anything. So for this one was x is 0, plug it in, you get a 3. When x is 1, 1 times 4 is 4, plus 3 is 7, which that doesn't fit on the graph. So I'll back up to negative 1. Negative 1 times 4 is negative 4, plus 3 is negative 1. So that has a point right here. Negative 1, 3, 0. And if I follow that pattern out, it's over 1, down 4, over 1, down 4. There's that pattern right there. Okay. If I do the other one, same idea. Let's do 0 and 1. Alright, now again, I would pick, like number 24, you notice how this one's divisible by 2. I would put things divisible by 2, like 4, 6, 8. If this was a 3 in the denominator, I'd pick 6, 3, 9, 12, things along those lines. But anyways, back to this one. 0. Well, 0 times negative 1 is 0. Minus 2 is negative 2. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3. So I got negative 2, 0, negative 2, 1, negative 3. And if I follow that pattern on out, you'll see, oh, we've actually already found it because we just followed that pattern out. It goes across just like that. And they intersect right there at negative 1, negative 1. That's your solution. All right. 24 and 25 are the exact same way except for shading. All right, you start off by graphing the line, but remember, less than is below, greater than is above. You gotta remember if it's where it's shaded, things along those lines. But here we go. Let's start with, I like 0 and 1 because it gets me going. 0 minus 4 is negative 4. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. So 0, negative 4. 1, negative 1. And I can keep following that out. So it's over 3. Hit the dotted line. And it's less than, so we're going to end up shading below. So I'll just say I'm below that one. The other one is negative 1/2 plus 3. So again, because it's 2, I'll pick something divisible by 2. So like 0 and 2. That's not a 2, that's a 0. That's a 2. So 0 plus 3 is 0. Negative 2 times 1 is 2. Divided by negative 2 is positive 1. Remember, the bottom divides. Plus negative 1 plus 3 is positive 2. So we go. 0, 3. And 2, 2. Alright. And this one gets a solid line because it has the or equal to line underneath it. And it's a greater than, so it's above. So we want above the green line and below the red line. So that is everything in this area. Right there. Cool. Try 25 on your own. Just going to knock it out real fast. If y is at negative 1, well, that one's easy. Y is at negative 1. And it's greater than, so we want above. Let's do 0 and 2 again. Let's pick a different color. 0 and 2. 0 times 4 is 0 plus 4 is 4. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. With a negative, it's negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1. So that's 0, 4, 2, negative 1. Wow. And those are kind of far away. So here we go. And that's a solid line. It's actually down here.